Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Streamline your lead management by connecting Zapier with Facebook Leads. This video will walk you throughout the integration process to automate lead handling. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. In this specific video guys, we are going to talk about Zapier apps, and specifically we are going to talk about connecting Zapier with Facebook Leads so we can automate the application. Now, first of all, what you need to do is to, of course, open Zapier.com. Then log into your account and head up right here into the apps. Click on the apps and try to search if Facebook Leads is an available app. So Facebook, and as you can see, it exists. So Facebook Lead Ads is here available. Now there is so many type of it. There is Facebook Lead Ads, there is for business admins, and there is legacy. You choose the one that you want. After that, click on connect, and which they will ask you then to give them the permission to access your Facebook account, which has the Facebook Lead Ads. Click on connect like that, and this window will pop up where you have to put your credentials, and then you will be signed in into your Facebook account. Now you have connected that. So what can we exactly do with Facebook Lead Ads and Zapier? Well, Zapier was mainly made first of all to automate workflows. So here, if you want to create, there is a couple of things that you might be able to do. First of all, you can make zaps, tables, interfaces, chatbots, and canvas. Let's start by making zaps. So here, if I went into the zaps section, you will find that you have to go with two things. First of all, we have the trigger and then the action. So the trigger is the first thing that happens that will trigger this automation to start. And the action is the consequence of the trigger. So what comes right after the trigger? One thing to note is in Zapier, you only have one trigger, but you can have multiple actions. So the trigger, you cannot have, for example, let's say, for example, if I have created or I have added or I have removed, then you will do this. No, you only have one option. Either if I have created or if I have edited or removed. One of them, not all of them at once. So in this case, we are going to talk about Facebook Leads. So let's manage to create a trigger. I'm going to click on the trigger button right over here. As you can see, this is the trigger button. So click on it and you will find yourself opening this page. Now you have two ways to make it work, either by doing it manually or automatically by asking the AI, which is Copilot Beta. So this is the conversation between you and the AI, and you simply have to write a prompt and it will give you the automation that you are looking for. But for now, let's start by making it manually. So click on the trigger and search for Facebook. Then this will show you all the apps that has Facebook in it. And as you can see, Facebook Lead Apps. As it is mentioned here, it shows like there is Pro thing next to it. What does it mean? Well, let me go back to home. And if I went to my plan, so I click right over here, manage plan. And from there, I'm going to go to change my plan. As you can see, they are telling us Pro, which means we cannot have access to the app or make an automation for the specific app if we do not have the professional account or basically plan. As you can see, the Pro plan will give you unlimited premium apps. If we clicked on it, we can find that Facebook Lead Ads is one of them. So unfortunately, this has to be a premium account. So make sure to have it or set up. Make sure to in case you would like to go for a yearly plan, then make sure to put it at yearly. In case you would like to go with monthly, then just fix it at monthly. Then go to proceed, add on, and then put your credentials, your card number, etc., and you will be good to go. Now, this is not what we are going to talk about. We are going straight to the work, and you can literally just make the automation. And if you do not have the account or the financial abilities to buy the premium plan, you can just leave it here, and once you get the premium plan, you can just publish it. So let's try the trigger Facebook lead ads, and this window will show for you. So what does it do? What do we do here? So first of all, we can find that there is the app. Here we have the trigger events, which is what we want to do, which is the first action that happens that causes the software to start or the automation to start. Here we only have new lead. So this is only for Facebook, but for other apps you might have multiple amounts of triggers events. So for Facebook lead ads, there's only only this trigger, so let's choose it. So here, whenever there is a new lead or whenever there is a lead that has been created. So this is an instance trigger, so the Zap will trigger as soon as new event happens. Then the next thing is you have to sign into the account. Now, in case you have signed in throughout the app area, then the account should be selected automatically. And in case you had multiple accounts, you can just click here and it will show you all the accounts. You can basically choose from them. Then comes the action. So if I want to Facebook, again, and search for Facebook lead ads, as you can see, Facebook leads ads does not have actions. So in case you would like to have any other actions, well, they do have to be in other software or programs or basically other side apps of Facebook, like Facebook pages, conversations, Messenger, or etc. For example, what we can do is use Excel. So Microsoft Excel, and what we're gonna do whenever there is a new event, let's say a new row will be created with stuff in it, or create a new spreadsheet. So there's a lot of things that you can do here, for example, which are included in this menu. So you can choose from them and then sign into your Excel account or basically any other software account. Now, to make sure that everything is basically faster than this, you can, as I said, write a prompt in here with the chatbot, and it will give you two steps like this. Just drag them and put them here, and the automation with the bot AI will be good to go. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you a lot for watching. That was it for today's video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.